Children, let's see the kitchen vocabulary. Stove, kettle, chopsticks, plate, hot pot, wok, covered bowl, jug, griddle, ladle, fork, spoon, rolling pin, rolling board, tongs, pincers, skimmers, mortar and pestle, cutting board, measuring spoons, measuring cup, grater, strainer, peeler, whisk, can opener, funnel. Children, let's see the kitchen vocabulary. Stove, kettle, chopsticks, plate, hot pot, wok, covered bowl, jug, griddle, ladle, fork, spoon, rolling pin, rolling board, tongs, pincers, skimmers, mortar and pestle, cutting board, measuring spoons, measuring cup, grater, strainer, peeler, whisk, can opener, funnel.